Dead rhino horn has no use and value. Hemanta Biswa Sharma government wants to establish it. People believe in myths about rhino horns. The Assam government wanted to bust such myths by burning rhino horns. To prove that the horn of one-horned rhino, the pride of Assam, is worthless, 2,479 rhino horns were burnt at a mega ceremony held at Bokakhat on Wednesday. But is there any logic in this rhino horn burning at the initiative of the Assam government? In 2010, a NGO named Human Elephant Learning Program HELP moved the Guwahati High Court in regards to the issue of rhino horn burning. HELP filed a PIL before Guwahati High Court challenging the decision of the then Congress-led Assam government to burn 1,571 rhino horns. According to the NGO, the burning of rhino horns is a major loss from preservation point of view. Instead, it wanted the rhino horns to be sent to various museums across the world or the horns be preserved for research. There are about 55,000 museums in the world, out of which 900 are natural history museums. The one-horned rhino horns could be preserved in such museums. The Assam government wanted to bust the myths and superstitions about rhino horns among people, and the dead rhino horns were burned to show that they have no use. But was there any need to bust superstitions about use of rhino horns? As per reports, rhino horns are smuggled to Southeast Asian countries like Myanmar, Laos and Vietnam. Rhino horn has high demand in these countries due to superstitious beliefs, and it is suspected that it is the major reason why rhinos in Assam are killed. In such a situation, burning of rhino horns is unlikely to create a message. Because there is such a demand for rhino horn in Southeast Asian countries, and the trade would continue. While the government claims that dead rhino horn has no use, HELP claims that for study of the DNA of rhino, various geographical and ecological information related to rhino, its genetic research, there was the need to preserve the rhino horns. Meanwhile, a researchers team of African rhino continues a project on the study of the fingerprints of rhino horns. According to this research team, each of African rhino horn has a unique fingerprint. HELP says that in the near future, a large number of horns will be required for such a study on Indian rhinos, and these horns should have been preserved. In 2010, the Guwahati High Court, on the basis of the PIL filed by HELP, directed the Assam government to immediately hold a public hearing on the matter. The High Court also ordered the Assam government to involve HELP in the public hearing. The petitioner in person, Bijayananda Chaudhary, has expressed displeasure at the act of burning rhino horns without informing their organization HELP regarding the matter after 11 long years.
Human Elephant Learning Program, it's a NGO. We did a PIL against the government decision to burn 1,500 odd rhino horns in 2010. That time, the Honorable Court has given an order stating that there should be a public hearing, and the HELP, our organization, should be invited and should be a part of the public hearing. But it has not been informed. Though I know a lot of forest people here, but nobody has informed us. They know also me personally, but I don't know what message they are going to give to these people. Assam, because our people are so nice and good. Now in Assam about 4,000 or 5,000 odd rhinos are there. Because of our people, you don't have to make us aware. Our petition was that if you give this rhino horn to the research center, there are some 900 odd natural history museum, and there are about 55,000 museums all over the world, and 202 countries are there. You should have given that this animal is on the blink of extinction. Because of this horn, they are killing this animal. That would have given a more better message. I don't know by burning what they are going to learn and earn. I don't know the reason behind of so much of hurrying up. They have done a press release on 24th of August, and on 29th of August, the public hearing took place. it was so hurried, only 5 days. Usually a notice has been given for 2 weeks time minimum or 3 weeks time. People have not been given time also to do. The reason behind of hurrying up of burning of this rhino horn is up to the people to decide.
After burning of drugs spending lakhs of money, the Hemanta Biswa Sharma-led government has burned rhino horns in a mega event. There were sharp reactions on social media on burning of rhino horns after chanting of mantras, gun salute by cops following all Vedic rituals. Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest M.K. Yadav was in charge of the burning of rhino horns. Top Forest Officer Yadav is also in charge of Amgen. IFS Officer Yadav's name surfaces in various irregularities in Amgen. There are allegations of the controversial officer's involvement in distribution of bicycles and computers to students under Amgen. Besides, there are also allegations of his involvement in auctions of the Forest Department's producers. This forest officer is also the Chief Wildlife Warden of Assam. In the history of Assam's Forest Department, the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest always becomes the Chief Wildlife Warden. But keeping aside several other senior officers, Mr. M.K. Yadav is currently serving as the Chief Wildlife Warden. Adding to the list of disputes, the Assam government created another dispute in the history of the Forest Department with the burning of rhino horns. News Desk Report, Northeast Now.